Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize payments with PaySimple for rental management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the payment authorization process with PaySimple for rental management, log in to your PaySimple account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your account features. On the dashboard, locate the Payments section. Click on Accept Payments to initiate the payment authorization process. Select Add New Payment Method to enter the payment details. You will need to choose the type of payment option, such as credit or debit card. Fill in the required fields with the tenant's payment information. Ensure that you input the correct card number, expiration date, and security code. Once the payment information is entered, verify that all details are accurate. Next, specify the amount to be authorized for payment. Confirm that you have the tenant's consent to charge the specified amount. Proceed to click the Authorize Payment button. A confirmation pop-up may appear, prompting you to double-check the details. Review the payment details once more before finalizing the authorization. Once confirmed, the payment will be processed through the PaySimple system. After the payment is authorized, you will receive a notification of the transaction. Keep a record of the transaction for your rental management files. If you encounter any issues, refer to the PaySimple support documentation for assistance. For recurring payments, set up the necessary frequency in the billing section. Ensure to inform your tenants about the recurring payment schedule. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized payments using PaySimple for rental management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.